Hi Dollar Divas, welcome to Behind the Vanity. I'm Jessica. So today is kind of part 2 of my big kind of Dollar Tree haul that I did while I was in Georgia. I visited a couple Dollar Trees down there and got to experience the new $1.25 thing. And so yeah, so this is kind of part 2. I broke it up between like beauty stuff and kind of like household and like other stuff. So this is part 2. If you missed that, I will have it linked down below in the description box, along with my entire Dollar Tree makeup and haul playlist. And of course, if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for joining me. And I like to make a lot of Dollar Tree makeup and haul content, so if that's your thing, you are definitely in the right place. Of course, if you're returning, thank you so much for coming on back. So yeah, without any further chit chat, let's just go ahead and get into today's video. So when I was down in, we were in the Savannah, Tybee Island area. We went to a restaurant one night and we were asking a girl for a pen because we wanted to write down something for her. And when we did, she says, "Oh, I've got pens," and she had an entire bag of like Dollar Tree pens. She was like, "I'm obsessed with the Dollar Tree." So of course I told her what I did, and she said she had seen my videos before, which was so cool, but she gave me some of these pens right here. This isn't part of the haul, but I did want to shout them out. Her name is Ivy, and so she gave me a pack of these 4 glitter gel pens, and I waited on opening them up till I could get home to film them for you. So that was really sweet. So thank you, Ivy, and it was so lovely to meet you if you are watching. So yeah, she gave me those, and so I found another person just, you know, like all of us, obsessed with the Dollar Tree. So the first items that I found, I've been trying to look for. I mentioned in my last haul that there were a few items that I've been like on the hunt for, things that I've purchased before at my Dollar Trees and haven't been able to find them for like a few months. I did find them at both of these Dollar Trees. So I was needing another one of these containers. There are these containers here with the lid, and I keep things like my sugar, my flour, cornstarch, all that kind of stuff. This one is a 2 quart and actually has like the measurements on the side, like in ounces and milliliters. So I have a few of these, like I said, with different things in them, and then I'll put a little label on them, usually right here. And I was needing the tall one because I bought like a really big bag of grits. And but I was also just wanting the tall one just because I wanted the tall one. So I purchased the tall one. The tall one is 3 quarts. Of course, it's got the measurements. These are so handy, you guys. And so I couldn't really decide. So I just went ahead and bought like one of each since they were there, and I haven't really been seeing them lately in my store. So I just stocked up and got one of each so I can put some stuff. You can always put something in them. Especially we have like a really nice pantry now that we built with the house, and so I figure, you know, the more you have stuff and things like these, kind of the neater it looks. So bought one of each of those. I've been seeing this in other people's haul videos, and it's the Tom's of Maine brand, and this is the natural prebiotic moisturizing hand soap. This is in gentle lavender, and it was actually, I think I've seen where they have a couple different scents of these, and this was the only one. It was on the end cap of this particular store, and it was the only one they had, so of course I picked it up. And I'd heard some people say that they didn't like the smell of it, but I like the smell of it. It kind of smells spa-like, and so yeah, I figured definitely wanted to pick it up. I'm so set like on soaps right now from the Dollar Tree because I found those soft soap ones a couple hauls ago. And this actually says it helps support good bacteria to keep skin in a healthy balance. And it kind of says on the back, not all bacteria are bad for you. So I guess what it does is it leaves the good bacteria on your hands and kills the bad, which, as we know, hand sanitizers don't do that. They kill the good bacteria too and stuff. So I'm very intrigued, super excited to have this, and so glad I could find it at one of these Dollar Trees. So I have broken, like over the last month, like my 2 favorite stemless wine glasses. And they're my favorite because they're kind of thinner. I've got some that are kind of wide, kind of a little too wide for my hand. And so, you know, they did their best, and, you know, coffee mugs and wine glasses don't really last a long time at my house. So I did buy another wine glass, and I really need to buy some more, but I figured one would be enough for right now. And so I just picked up this little basic wine glass. It fits in my hand real well. These tend to be really thick. I think I have one of these already, and it's like a blue shade. It's like a cobalt kind of blue. So yeah, I just wanted to pick up another one of these. I'll probably pick up a couple more. So yeah, just wanted to pick up a wine glass. one that fits in my hand real good. So we stayed at an Airbnb on Tybee Island, and I don't know, maybe this just had me thinking in Airbnb mode or guest mode, but I did see it and thought it was really, really, really cute, and I couldn't pass it up. And they had a couple different styles. I only bought one style, but it's this little sign, and you know how I love signs. I have way too many, especially for Christmas. But this says, welcome, the Wi-Fi password is, and you can write your Wi-Fi password, so if you have guests, they can hook up onto your Wi-Fi. And I just thought, and of course it has like this farmhouse kind of style, so I don't know, I just thought that was really cute. I don't know, maybe I'll put it in like the guest bedroom or something like that, or I don't know, maybe I'll put our password down, because if we ever do get logged out, it's not like a password I can remember. I literally keep it written down and underneath something. And if we ever lost that piece of paper, I'd be done. And we just never went in and changed it. So in this store, it was right in the front as you walk in the store. They have usually like glasses and plates and stuff. They had a bunch of these there. So that's where I found this. And yeah, I hadn't seen it before and I just could not let it go. So a couple hauls ago, I found a lot of stuff from the Be Pure brand. So I got the Be Pure Pillow Mist. This is in lavender chamomile, and I really love the one from Bath & Body Works. It's the cedarwood vanilla or lavender cedarwood. I don't think they make that scent anymore, which I'm bummed about. I love that scent, but I was kind of wondering, I don't know what this smells like because they do have it sealed up, so I'm gonna open it and smell it and kind of see. And they had a couple other things. This was also at the front of the store, but I'm sure you could find it in the beauty aisle or like where they have the soaps and stuff. And like I said, they had a couple other items in this line. It doesn't smell very strong, but it does have a pleasant smell. I don't know, I'm gonna have to try it on my pillow to really see, but it's gonna be really, really hard to beat my Bath & Body Works. Yeah, I will definitely let you know though. Like I said, a little bit of time will tell, and I don't think it actually really helps you sleep, but I do think it can kind of help relax you and be comforting. So we'll see. I'm not completely sold as I sit here right now though. So I have not seen these in my store. Not that they have not been at my store, but I haven't run across them personally. I don't know whether they've gotten bought up or anything, but I've been seeing these in hauls over the last few months. And so it's this Ombre Tote Bag. So you've probably seen these if you watch a lot of Dollar Tree hauls. On the back it says, Camp Collection, Let's Make Memories, shopcamp.com. So here's what it looks like. It's like a little ombre bag. It'd be really great, like, you know, just a nice little place to, like, for your beach stuff and a book and some sunscreen. Nothing that can fall through the holes, of course. You won't have to really worry about sand, so that can really come in handy. And I've also heard in hauls and reading comments that some people use these as like produce bags, like at the grocery store. You put your produce in them. That's a great idea too. So I was very curious. Like I said, I had not come across them yet. And so when I saw them, I had to pick them up. So I bought one for me, and I bought a second one as well. Depending on how I use them, I might use this. Either that or I'll give it to like a friend or in a giveaway or something like that. So I did buy 2 of those. Now this is something I have seen in my store, but I never picked them up. They come in 3 colors, and it's this Juncture brand purse or cross body bag, tote bag type of thing. So you probably have seen these if you've seen a lot of hauls recently. They get this like pink shade, and then I think they have like a tan and a black. And so now it's got a button closure, which is super cool. And of course, you know, you can use it as a tote bag, or you can use it as like a cross body bag. So that's super cool. It's a very sturdy, kind of like a pleather. It's kind of velvety on the inside. It's kind of velvety-esque on the inside. And it's really a very good size. I don't know if they have dimensions on here. It's 10 by 10, which I wouldn't have thought that it was square, but I guess kind of it is. So yeah, just a really nice little bag. Again, something that's tall. You could really fit a lot in here, but yet not have to carry too much. So I thought that was really cute. I loved this color. So I bought one for me, and I bought one for probably a future giveaway or a friend. So if you know me, you know I love gnomes, or you might not know that I love gnomes no matter what, but I love gnomes. So I do like to buy anything that has gnomes on it. So I've got some Christmas socks that I bought a couple years ago that have gnomes. And so I saw these are the St. Patrick's Day socks, and they've got little gnomes on them, and I thought they were so cute. And they're like little ankle socks, so I just thought they were absolutely adorable. Could not pass them up, and I haven't yet seen these at my Dollar Trees. I don't think they really had the St. Patrick's Day stuff the last time I went a couple weeks ago. So I was able to pick up a pair of those. And then these are adorable too, you guys. And I didn't see these at my Dollar Tree. I always look at the socks because I am always looking for gnome socks. And I did not see these, even though my stores have had great Dollar Tree stuff. At least I don't think I've seen them. I think I would have picked them up had I seen them. But it's another pair of ankle socks, and they've got little gnomes, and they've got like little like female gnomes, and just absolutely adorable. Again, ankle socks, which are just always good. So I thought those were super cute. So now I've got like all the holidays. I've got Christmas, I've got Valentine's Day, and St. Patrick's Day. I'll have to be on the lookout for some Easter ones as well. And when I went by these, I thought they were kid socks. And then I looked at the size and the tag and realized they were women's. So I picked them up. I thought they were so cute, you guys. So look at them. They are little pigs. And they're kind of like, I guess, I don't know, they're crew cut socks, which I don't wear a lot of, but they're women's size 5 to 9. And look, you guys, they have a tail on them. I'm guessing that's kind of where your heel goes. Actually, your heel goes right here. So it's right above your heel. How cute would those be to wear like with like white sneakers? Absolutely adorable. So yeah, like I said, I was so excited when I thought they were for kids. Then I saw the tag and I was so excited when they were for adults. And so they had a few different styles of them. I also picked up one of the owl designs as well. I thought those were so cute. They actually match my sweater like perfectly. They don't have a tail, but they're still really, really, really cute. So picked up those for myself. And this store did not have a lot of socks, but I bought quite a few socks considering they don't have a lot of socks. We have a big section of socks in both of my stores that are near my house, but I don't buy socks very often from there. Anyways, I digress. So I did notice the men's. I was telling my husband that they usually have a lot of like bum equipment. They'll have like gold toe, and they had Mossy Oak brand socks. These are size 6 to 12 shoe size. They're moisture wicking, extra cushion, premium comfort work socks, and they're from the brand Mossy Oak. And you get one pair. They're thick and they're cushioned work socks. So I picked up a pair for my husband for him to try just out of curiosity. So yeah, I'm gonna have him try those. And last but not least, I found some storage. So I actually have quite a few of these already, like in my pantry. It has like my potatoes and onions and all that good stuff. So I hadn't seen them in a while, and I just reorganized all my makeup. In fact, I need to do an updated like beauty room tour for you all. But yeah, I just got 2 more of these like white containers. Doesn't have the dimensions on them, but they're really, really good size. And so figure you can never have too many of something like this. And then the last item, and I thought these were huge. Now granted, they're $1.25, but this is like a huge container for the Dollar Tree. I feel like you don't usually get something this big, but they're these big containers. Like, I mean, you can see how big that is. And again, it probably does not have the dimensions. It's called a bucket underneath. And they had a couple different colors. I got gray and I got this like mauve. And I mean, I figured that could be good for like shoes, flip-flops, hats, scarves. Who knows? I mean, but for $1.25, like I said, they are really, really, really big. I was able to fit all that stuff in them, obviously from my thumbnail. So couldn't pass them up. Just thought they were a steal for $1.25. So thank you so much for joining me for another Dollar Tree haul. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. Also share it with anybody you think may enjoy it. If you want to see more videos like this, definitely check out my Dollar Tree makeup and haul playlist in the description box below, and also up here in the cards, and binge watch more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.